For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you about one of the most promising talents to look out for in IPL 2020. I'm talking about the Punjab-born lad who will be playing for Kolkata Knight Riders, Shubman Gill. Yes, Kolkata Knight Riders has been one of those franchises who has invested quite a lot in youngsters, and Shubman Gill is one of them. He joined the franchisee in 2018 and now this will be his third straight season for Kolkata Knight Riders. Not to mention not forget that he was retained by Kolkata Knight Riders in the 2019 IPL auction. So clearly they saw a lot of batting potential, a lot of potential in the youngsters, and that is the reason why they decided to retain him. Now, what is it that the fans can look forward to from Shubman Gill's bat? Well, he has given a latest interview in which he has stated very clearly that doesn't matter which team, which franchisee or whichever 11 he plays for, all he wants to do is to win games for his team, and for that he's going to do everything which is possible in his repertoire. IPL will be played in the UAE, which means there will be a lot of different services, lot of slow wickets which will be on offer, and experts are stating that batsmen find it difficult to actually bat on those wickets. Well, Shubman Gill has come out that he has a habit of playing in slow and dusty wickets because he plays in India most of the time, and especially in the north region where the wickets are generally slow. So then what happens? He is ready for the challenge and he wants to make a big impact for KKR. Remember, the head coach Brendan McCullum, who had also played for KKR last month, stated that they have some leadership role for Shubman Gill. So clearly they are looking at him as someone for a bigger role, and you can expect Shubman Gill to be a part of Kolkata Knight Riders for many more years to come. And also with run making, with the talent comes the weight of expectations. Well, Shubman Gill is already ready for it. He has clearly stated in an interview that the weight of expectations doesn't put him down, but it rather motivates him to bring out his very best and to win matches for his side, and he's ready to do anything for the franchisee. Now, talking about some numbers here, he played his debut match against for Kolkata Knight Riders. Well, then since then he has been an integral part. Yes, he has been in and out of the team, but most likely he will play all the 14 matches, and if Kolkata makes it to the playoffs, you can take that number to either 16 or 17. So talking about numbers again, he has close to 500 runs from 25 or 27 matches, and in which he has a highest score of 76, and to go with 4 half centuries as well. So clearly he has a few numbers on his side, but those numbers are likely to improve given the talent this man possesses. And most importantly, he is the one to watch out for in the future, because not just for Kolkata Knight Riders but also for India. Remember, he was a part of Kolkata Knight Riders in the last 2 seasons, and also a member of 2018 Men's World Cup, Under-19 World Cup under Prithvi Shaw's captaincy. So he has the ability to score big on big occasions, and also the fact that many legends of Indian cricket like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and Yuvraj Singh, well, they have all come out and stated that there is a youngster in the form of Shubman Gill who is one for the future. So what do you think about Shubman Gill's talent? Do you think he will have a brilliant IPL season which will propel his case for Team India in the next 2021 T20 World Cup, or will he have to just wait for his chances and take it game by game? Do send in your comments and feedback, and I'll be looking forward to the same. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News 9 Digital across all social media platforms.